I'm cold.
Wow! It's beautiful. Are you kidding me? Uh-oh.
Rules number 1. Quiet zone, let nature roam. We keep our voices down and try not to disturb the animals around us. They need their rest, just like we do. Shh! Let's be quiet, observers.
I'm hungry. Okay.
Nom nom nom.
I forgot to bring the food. Oh no. Leave it to me to find the food.
Okay. I think think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Yum, 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 yum.
Rules number 2. Leave no trace, keep nature's space. Whatever we bring with us, we take back home. We pick up our trash and even help clean up any litter we might find. Let's keep our camping spot as clean as we found it.
Good job!
Stop! No, no, no! No, no, no! No, no, no! No!
Rule number 3. Stay on trail. Nature's path prevails. We stick to the designated trails and paths. This helps protect the plants and critters that call these places home. Off-trail adventures can harm delicate ecosystems.
Oh, I can't walk.
I am cold.
I will go get some wood to start fire.
Rules number 4. No wildfires. Nature inspires. We never light fires in the green spaces. Instead, we use safe camp stoves for cooking and warmth. Fires can harm our beautiful nature friends and their homes.
We have to stay here tonight.
Let's set up a tent and sleep inside.
What's happening? Can you hear the sound? Oh, wow!
Good morning.